after a bright and beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're having some more sun today. Not quite as warm though, Ted.
No, it's pretty cold out there. Yeah, temperatures are struggling to get through the teens, on the way to about 20, kind of leveling off in that range. We are seeing more of this. Clouds are slowly filtering into the area, and they will take over as we move along through the mid-afternoon hours. Here's a look from Austin to the east. Some filtered sunshine right now. That's live from our Lewiston Auto camera. Temperatures in the teens there. Teens here as well on the weather patio. Updating that temperature. It's now 16 degrees here at KTTC. The winds out of the northeast 7 miles per hour. It feels like 6. It's definitely a seasonably chilly day, but a bright and a cheery looking day at least. Looks awfully nice out there to have that sunshine. Of course, that relatively fresh snow on the ground, brightening things up from over the weekend. 4.3 inches, or 4.4 inches, I should say, the official amount. 3.4 inches actually here at Rochester. We had 3 to 5 inches overall. 3.4 the official total here in Rochester. I got my numbers straight there. But 13 was the temperature at the top of the hour at Rochester Airport. 16 in Austin, 19 Mason City, and 18 in Decorah. Factor in the winds, it feels like 1 below. The wind's 12 miles per hour. Kind of a brisk breeze that's beginning to build up just a little bit. I've really noticed that this evening with those 15, 16 mile per hour winds and temperatures in the teens. We'll be feeling that today through tonight. Cloud cover increasing today. Snow comes up tonight for much of the area, especially the southern half. That's where the lion's share of the snow will accumulate. Some of us will see just a few flakes. Some will see something to shovel by tomorrow morning. And another dose of snow possible for the weekend. In between, decent amount of sunshine though, and a lot of seasonably chilly weather in store for us. High clouds drifting in. Future track, here comes that snow spreading across now western Iowa. Big storm system moving through Kansas into Missouri on the north end of this. A lot of moisture and a lot of snow. We're looking at the possibility of a foot or more of snow around Des Moines and areas southward, 6 to 10 inches for the Quad City area in western and northwest Illinois. And the northern periphery of the system brings winter weather headlines to our local area. Winter weather advisory, Mason City, Charles City to New Hampton, also toward Ullwine with the possibility there of 2 to 4 inches of snow. Beyond that northward, we're talking an inch or less for the most part. Southern Minnesota, Rochester may see a trace. Southward, toward Lisle, toward Austin, Preston. These spots may see half inch or so, and then North Iowa an inch or 2, but we see that strip of darker coloring in Mason City toward Decorah. 2 to 4 inches of snow tonight through about sunrise tomorrow. Here's future track, high-res computer modeling looking through tonight. Again, the snow building in after about 6 or 7 this evening. Very light snow in southern Minnesota. Again, see the darker coloring in North Iowa. There's going to be a little more accumulation through the night. Increasing clouds in the meantime. 20 the high today. We'll stay in the teens through tonight with that northeast breeze around 10 miles per hour. Low 20s today, teens for the overnight hours, and then back to about 20 or so tomorrow with at least some sun. It might take a few hours to get there, but I think afternoon offers at least a little sunshine for Tuesday. But clouds increasing today. Here comes that snow building northward. A lot of that in the overnight hours, and then pushing eastward by first thing tomorrow morning. By afternoon, it's out of the area, out of the region altogether, really, with breaks of sunshine through that thin layer of clouds overhead, and then off and on cloud cover and sunshine on Wednesday. A cold day with temperatures again in the teens, and we'll be in that same range again Thursday before we really start turning the corner and see something a little warmer by the weekend. And by the weekend also a chance for some precipitation, maybe a mixture changing the snow. There's that possibility Saturday afternoon into very early Sunday. That may be the next round of any precipitation after tonight. Temperatures over the next several days, cold during the week, but then 30s and some upper 20s over the weekend, which is a couple degrees above the seasonal average. 24 would be typical this time of the year. Today, just a little shy of that. Rochester 20, Austin increasing clouds at 19, 24 in Winona. By evening, a little snow may break out in parts of North Iowa, but during the day, increasing clouds. Charles City 22 and Lake Mills 20. Northeast winds up to 15 miles per hour. There's that snow tonight, 2 to 4 inches in North Iowa, especially around Mason City and Charles City. Otherwise, very light coating, if anything, elsewhere. 10 degrees tonight with north winds on the brisk side. And tomorrow, 10 to 20 mile per hour winds out of the north, increasing sunshine by afternoon, 21, and teens and 20s for the rest of the week. And there's that wintry mixture with something maybe just a little warmer for the upcoming weekend.
Yeah, some cold there and snow. Plenty to talk about this week.
A lot of January weather, really.
That's for sure. Thank you.